This AI tool killed my $5,000 per month content studio. TopView reverse engineers viral ads and rebuilds them with your brand baked in. It's all powered by OpenAI Sora 2, so the visuals feel human-made. The results are so good, you'll forget it was generated by AI. In this video, I'll show you how it works and the simple process you can use to make them. The process is very simple. First, upload your product shot. Then, add the viral ad you're inspired by. TopView's AI studies the pacing, tone, angles, transitions, and replicates everything with your brand. Here's the result. A clean, aesthetic sunscreen demo just like the viral hydrating cleanser ad I copied. And it automatically included these product highlights. No white cast. Lightweight texture. Dermatologist approved. You can also edit the video by answering follow-up questions. I wanted a faster-paced cut with more punch, so I choose Make It High Energy. It delivered an upbeat, Gen Z-friendly version, same product, same angles, new vibe. It's all powered by OpenAI Sora 2, so the visuals feel human-made. I ran a side-by-side comparison between my original viral inspo versus the AI recreation. Couldn't tell which one was which. If you're marketing anything, dropshipping, SaaS, or just your own brand, you know the pain. You see a competitor's video blowing up, and you wish you could just copy-paste that energy. Stop wasting your budget trying to chase every trend. Just clone what's working with your product in it. If you want to try this for yourself, and honestly, you should, before everyone else does, I've put a link to TopView AI right in the top of the description below. Click that link, upload a product shot, and see if you can beat your best-performing ad in 3 minutes. This tool is changing the game, and you need to be using it. If you found this helpful, smash that like button so I know to bring you more AI tools that actually make you money. Don't forget to check out our other videos to see the AI tools you should be using daily to improve your workflow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.